Once the beta version or draft of your app has been created, it's time to test it. This can be done one of two ways. The most basic way is to check it for 4 parameters. The first being appeal and appearance. In other words, how does the app look to the end user? The second criterion is engagement. That is, how much does the end user want to stay involved in using the app during their experience? Is the app easy for the end user to use? In other words, is it user-friendly? And finally, the quality of the content is very important so that the end user does not get confused by poor grammar or other elements that might do so. For the app to be fully published on the MAD store, a more detailed set of criteria can be used. These include the effective identification, which was reviewed in the details lesson of the tutorials, the visual design, the high quality and depth of information, how accessible the content is, and how user-friendly. Some optional ones include meaningful interactivity. That is, will the end user be able to bring themselves into the app and interact with it? And finally, considerations of overall relevance and creativity. This checklist is used by the team at MadLearn to decide which apps will be fully published on the MAD store. Good luck!